everyone, take a section from the front, make multiple sections out of it. At the back, make another section. Do the same right underneath it, join it into a ponytail. Start off by taking a section of the front, add a rubber band to it. Right underneath it, make another section until you reach the base. Once you reach the base, begin to braid the hair as such. Tie a rubber band once you're done. Taking a section from the front, add a rubber band to it. Right underneath it, add another rubber band. Braid the bottom portion of the hair. Take a section of the hair from the front, leave it out. Make two sections out of it as such. Divide the back of the hair into two parts, braid it, join it. Make a braid in the top section of the hair and then at the bottom, include it in another braid. Divide the hair into four parts as such. On either side, make two braids. At the back, make another braid and then roll it up into a bun. Join the hair into the bottom braids. Taking a section off the top, add multiple rubber bands. Divide one side of the hair into two parts. Taking the top section, begin to braid the hair. However, braid it in reverse as such. Once you are done with this, loosen some strands of this braid by using your fingers. Taking the ponytail, pull the ponytail at the bottom through the braid. Take three rubber bands, join them all together to make it look like a little bunny rabbit. Taking a section from the top, add a rubber band to it. Make multiple sections on the side as well. Divide the bottom portion of the hair into three parts. Join it till it's one and then add it to the ponytail at the top. Taking a hair bun stick, roll the hair around it. Make a bun out of it and adjust the hair accordingly. Take a section from the top in the front, add two sections to it. Join it together, roll the hair in on itself, add a ponytail. Start off by braiding the hair. Add multiple rubber bands to it once you are done after folding it. Making a braid at the top, right underneath it, make another ponytail and wrap the braid around it. Roll this section of the hair in on itself, make a braid at the bottom, roll it up. Take a section off the top, tie a rubber band to it, and then right underneath it, take another section. Roll the hair in on itself as such. Do this until you reach the base. Now, normally braid the rest of the hair. Take a section from the front, add a rubber band to it, divide it into two portions, make two braids out of it, make two more sections right underneath it, and then make a ponytail. Take a section from the front and then braid the hair. Take another section right beneath it and then braid the rest of it as well. Make a small braid in the front. Right underneath it, wrap two sections of the hair around it. Include it into a braid. Repeat this step. As for the bottom, normally braid the hair as before. Divide the bottom into three parts. Lift it up and then attach it to the two side braids and roll them into buns. Take a section off the top for the scalp and then braid the hair. Take two more sections from either side, tie a rubber band to it, roll the hair in on itself. Thank you for watching.